So next up, guys, got a good dump truck here. This is a 1993 Mack RD600, big triaxle steel box dump truck, guys. Does have an Eaton 4.8 transmission. Rubber seems to be real good on it. 24,000 hours, right around 350,000 miles, guys. Local consignor brought a pair of these in to sell. He used them up till last fall. Starts up, runs good. Have had a really good service history, maintenance, everything like that. He's got an excavation company and used them pretty lightly, but he did rebuild the motor in this one. We'll try to have all that exact information in with the listing, but real nice dump truck. Michael started up, give you a nice demo. Fires right up, guys. Raise the box or something. Does have a liner in the box too, guys. We'll try to have the length of the box and everything in with the listing. But good dump truck. You get one in, pre-emissions unit like this, rebuilt motor. Nice big super singles up front. Really for the vintage, guys. Pretty dang good shape. Frame's in good shape. Shift's nice, runs smooth. So I can give you forward and reverse here. I guess, or maybe he's gonna back out, or we're not sure. Come back to you here, but like I kind of said, guys, shift's nice. It's a good running truck. Kind of inner work clothes here, but definitely comes from a good home. And like we said, it's had good service, good maintenance. It's ready to go to work. So there's the demo, guys. The 1993 Mack RD600 triaxle dump truck. Good, guys. Auction time in Old 20 Auctions.